How to freeze or hold a frame on Alight Motion. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily freeze or hold a frame on the Alight Motion. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is create a project. So click on the plus icon down below and then create a project. So tap on create. So what you're going to do here is import your media. So just tap on the plus icon and then tap on media. So once you have imported your media, what you want to do here is simply go ahead and choose the frame that you want to freeze and select that part of the video. And then from here, you're going to tap on the export button at the top right and then save the current frame as PNG. Now click on export. Now, once your frame has been exported, what you can do is click on save and save it to gallery. Now you can go back. So you are going to import that frame again. So just tap on the plus icon and then import media. So you can import the media that you have just exported. So you are going to move it to the original layer and then split the part where where you want to import the picture. And now once the frame has been imported, now once you split here, what you're going to do is move the upper layer so that it aligns with your remaining of the picture. So what happened is you're going to play it, it will freeze this frame and then continue from there on. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.